How to apply for a first deposit bonus on 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, complete the quick registration process before proceeding. Next, head to the menu tab and go to the deposit option in the top right corner. Then, choose your preferred payment option from the available options like e-wallet, bank cards, or local gateways. Keep in mind, cryptocurrency deposits usually do not qualify for the welcome bonus. Now, enter the amount you want to deposit. Make sure the amount meets the minimum requirement for the bonus offer. Usually, the bonus is a 100% match of your first deposit, so entering a higher amount can give you a bigger bonus. Before confirming the payment, look for the bonus checkbox on the deposit page. This checkbox allows you to claim the welcome bonus. Make sure it is selected before proceeding with the transaction. Once the deposit is completed, your bonus will be automatically credited to your bonus balance. And that's it. Now you know how to apply for a first deposit bonus on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.